Let's wait for another 1 minute or 2 minutes, then we'll start.
Sami'a maqalati, yang dia mendengar ini nama.
Recording in progress.
I'm not audible.
Now audible, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Fine. I need headphone. So what I was talking, like, today we'll continue with the previous class, whatever happened, and maybe this week I'll be completing this shell script. From next week, maybe the DevOps tools I'll be starting. Okay. Let me create one instance. Let it create. Let me stop share for 1 minute. There. So no doubt on previous class, right? Everyone is good with previous class and everyone is able to practice, right? Or anyone stuck anywhere? Oh, all good. Great. Let me share again screen. So I have created instance. Let me copy that public IP and we'll start. So yesterday I said like today I'll be proceeding with calculator creation so that it will take input from user what they want to do and it will be doing as per their requirement. Okay. So how will be creating calculator, that I'll let you know. Let me make it somewhat big. My screen is visible, right, to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, here you already knows what is the first line of the shell script. Can anyone tell me what is the first line of the shell script? Yesterday I was talking
Shebang.
it. Yeah, that is called shebang. What is that? If I want to create, let me. I'll create it on under temp only. I'll say vi shell.sh maybe. So what should be the first line? Can anyone tell me?
Shellbang.
Yeah. What is the
Shebang.
hash?
Shebang.
That is
Sorry.
called shebang.
Hmm.
Shebang. Bin and bash. Okay. Now, what I'll be doing today, I'll be creating a calculator, but it should take the input from the user and it will manipulate whatever as per the user requirement. Okay. What we'll do first, it will take input from the user. So to take input from the user, what is the command? Can anyone tell me? Yesterday only I did it.
Yes.
Read. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, it should be read hyphen p, then what, maybe enter the first sorry,
Number.
yeah, enter the first number. So this is not only done, I need to save somewhere, right? I need to save, maybe we can say first number. First number, this is the variable. Okay, here it is there, I don't want to write it. Here it is x y z, it is taking like this. That is not an issue. Whatever you can, that is not an issue. And always try to hear one thing, always try to write it down. For what purpose you are writing this script? You can say this script is for calculator. Okay, calculator. Okay, this is first number done. The same way you can enter the second number also. As of now, what we are doing, we are storing it as a variable. Okay, I need to edit here because here what we want, I want second number. Second number, this one should be third number. I need to change the variable also. Okay, so here this one is third number. Okay, third, this one I'll say second number. But instead of giving, I think xyz is better because we need it in future. I don't need to write total thing, first number, second number. I'll say that is x, first number is x, second number is y, and third number is z. Okay, so once it is done, now the main actual part will start here. Okay, what is the actual part? I need to do what? There is a module called let. Okay, so you have to use this let to get the calculator output. Okay, what I will do, I'll just copy all the things, then I'll explain one by one. Okay, so to calculate the thing, we have to use the module called let, and this is MUL. This is I am just giving the name multiplication. I can give multiplication also. So what is the multiplication? Everyone knows, right? It should be like A in B in C, like this. Here also same x, y, and z. What first number, whatever number is there, from check from here this variable, second int y from second variable, third is z. So it is using multiplication here. Okay. The same way I can do the addition, subtraction also. So once these are done, so here it is doing, and I am storing where this multiplication variable, in this multiplication variable, add variable, subtraction variable. Okay. Now I need to print here the terminal, so that I will be able to see what is happening. So then what I did, echo, print something, you have to use the echo. Multiplication is what output I want. I want multiplication, right? So here I need to give multiplication. So I'll remove this. I'll just take only. So multiplication. This variable I am using, not this variable. Okay, remember this. This variable I used here, and this multiplication I am storing in mul. Okay. So now I need to print this variable, not this variable. Okay. I can have many variables inside the variable also, but we need to call the perfect variable which I want. Here good, right? Or any doubt? Let me run this, then only maybe you may have doubt or you may have question. Okay. I'll say bash it, shell it. Oh, what happened?
The variable is declared inside, sir, in the
Yeah,
statement.
because of that. Yeah. We need to remove that bracket to here, not so. We need to change it to here. Okay. Okay. Now let's try it again. So what it is asking? It is asking for enter the first number. I'll say 5. Okay. Then enter. Enter the second number. I'll say 4. Enter the third number. I'll say 3. Now I'm getting everything. What is the multiplication? What is the addition? What is the subtraction? Okay. Yeah. Correct only. So subtraction -2, why it came? Because the numbering is different I gave. So I can give some other number also. Okay, good, right? How it is giving me the calculator. I can run again any, I can give some other value also. Maybe 1, 2, 3. Now say 3 into 2, 6. 3 to 1, 6. Here something I'll give correct value now. Okay, let's try to open this. I'll give much value here, so that this one I need to give less value. That is the problem. X 5 4. Here you can calculate and you can give as yours. I don't need to calculate here. But you all are good, right? Here how it is taking input from the user, and it is giving me, it is calculating the things, and it is giving me the output. You can give anything, any number, it will take it. Okay, any doubt for this calculator? And next day I want from everyone this calculator output. I'll not give the code. You don't copy paste it. You should write it down so that you will learn more. Okay. Any doubt here?
Will it take decimal values?
Sorry.
Decimal values.
Yeah, it will be taking. It will be taking. Okay, let me give some subtraction value. I need to give, right? Division. Oh, division I didn't give, right? Okay, let me open that. Division also will happen. Everything will happen. Oh, okay. Input. Okay. Division also can be done. Okay, let me give input. Oh, here I need to add something for this. I need to explicitly mention that here my division will be there. That thing also it is there in my shell script. Let's see. No, as of now it is not there. Maybe tomorrow I'll get back to it. That is also there. It should be there. I did it previously. Maybe I didn't copy it somewhere. Okay, fine. That one it is not there available, and I'll let you know tomorrow maybe. Or now if I am finding, I'll get it. But I don't want to waste time here. Tomorrow maybe I'll show you for uh, like decimal point. Also, it will be showing you. It is like same exactly the calculator. Whatever calculator is giving you at the output, you will get the same output. Good, right? Here I need to add some extra thing to accommodate that particular decimal values point, because here it is telling invalid arithmetic operator. Okay. Now I'm proceeding with next thing. Okay. In next, some operators are there. We need to know the operators. Okay. Let me open the notepad. Okay. So here you already knows, right? Greater than means this one, less than means this one, and or and not logic also you already knows, right? And means what is the meaning of and? Anyone knows? And and get, you know, this one. And oh, this is or, this is and, this is or, and not will be like exclamatory something like this. Okay, there are three operators are there, and greater than and less than. You should know this. Okay, for greater than we can denote like GE, for less than LE. Okay, maybe we'll be using in some cases LE, less than, greater than. Okay, oh sorry, greater than and greater than equals to we can use. GE means greater than equals to, LE means less than equals to, LT means less than. You have to remember these keywords. Okay, good, right? Because this I'll be using now. I need to compare something. Okay, is it greater than or less than? What will be the output? So everything it will be showing to me. Okay, here any doubt here? And means if it will take the both input, and it will manipulate as per the input. Okay, or means either one, A or B. If I am giving A and B, what it will take? A and B. Let me suppose A and B. Okay, here A or B, or B. Another one was there, A not B. Okay, A and B means it will take the both output. Okay, it is both. A or B means either A or either B. Either A or either B. Any of the thing. Okay, and another one is not. Okay, A not equals to B. It will taking like both are not equal. Okay, this is not equal. They are good, right? Or any doubt? Greater than, less than, and or and not. Okay, let me go to slide and we'll execute that particular script. Here what is telling, it is asking what is the score of your particular exam, you can say. Okay, is it greater than 80? If it is greater than 80 means you got the distinction, else you are passed. Okay, here two things I am trying to explain. First is, if it is more than 80, it means you are getting distinction marks, and if it is like less than 80, you are passed. But here I can give any other message also. What message I can give? A yeah, like you didn't get the distinction marks, like this also I can give the message. Okay. And here another thing, this is here what loop I am using. If, okay, if syntax is there. So for if there is a syntax, you have to follow this syntax. If first, oh, it should be all small. Okay. If first, okay, if is matching, then what condition you have to, like what you want to print. If this is matching, particular thing is matching, particular sentence is matching, or particular whatever thing, if it is matching, then what output you want to print. Okay, that's why it is what it is using then. Else what output you want to print, and at the end it should be, it started with if, right? You have to end with fi, like a reverse order of if. Okay. So what will be? If then. Okay. Then else I need to close fi. This is the syntax for if loop. If condition, not loop. If condition. Okay. What is the condition? If it means some condition will be there. Okay. After then what it should, you should give, you should print something. Print something. Else also you should print something. Print something. And fi means end of that particular if condition. If you are not following this, if you are missing something, your script will give you the error. Okay, right? Got it, right? What is the condition of if? I think everyone knows already, they read in college. So now I'll try to execute that particular script. Okay. I'll say vi to underscore shell dot sh. Okay, let's try to run that. I'll say, sorry, bash, then 2. Enter the marks. Maybe I'll say 55. It is telling you are passed. But if you are giving more than 80, maybe 85, what is telling? You got distinction. So we are setting the condition. Hey, if this is the condition, print this output. I want this output. I can, instead of giving this you are passed, maybe I can give something else message. What I can give? I can say you didn't get the distinction marks. You didn't get the distinction marks. Distinction marks. Okay. I'll save it. Now I'll run again that particular script. I'll say 34. What is telling? You didn't get the distinction marks. So I am just making condition. I am getting the output as per my wish. So you have to understand the shell script, how it is working. Then it would be easy for you. You can do anything through the shell script. Good, right? On this particular shell script or slide. Great. Let me go to next slide. Next slide, I'm giving a lot of things here. Here I'm using and, or, not everything. See here, this is and. This is also and. This is greater than. So this kind of thing I'll be. Now let me explain this. Here also I have used the if condition. Can you see this? If with else if. There is another statement for if, that is else if, means what else output you want to print, what else task you want to execute, that is also done. Okay. Here what used to happen here, only one if condition with else, only one else will be there. but you have multiple else you need to execute. That time you will have to use else if. Okay, here we'll be using that. At last it should be else. Let me open this and I'll explain this. vi3 underscore shell dot sh. Okay, so here what I want to do, what is telling, read p means you have to understand, okay, it wants to take input from the user. Okay, here enter the marks. Okay, and this marks store in score variable. Okay, in score variable it is there. Now it is if means you have to give some condition. What condition you want? What it is telling, if score greater than 40 and score less than 60. So if score is 40 and 60, in between 40 and 60, then what you passed. Okay, if this condition here, what both condition I am taking, if score is 40 and greater than 40 and less than 60, two condition is it is matching, so that's what it is passed. Now another condition I am giving, if score greater than 60 and less than 70, then you got the first division, like 60 to 70 first division. Okay, then again if score is greater than 70 and less than 90, you got distinction. Else if score is greater than 90, you get champion. Else you are failed. If your marks is not getting under this all condition, then you are the failed guy. Okay, share any doubt? Can anyone tell me any doubt, question? No doubt, right? All good. Let me run this, then you will understand better. So I'll say bash 3, right? What marks you want to give me? Let me know. Any marks?
70.
70. Okay. So 70 means you got distinction. Let me open my shell script. What I have mentioned. 70 means where this condition, right? Greater than equals to 60 and less than equals to 70 means first division. And I got the output also. Oh, okay. Here
Then
one thing.
equal to.
Yes, because of that equals to. Okay, I need to give less than. Okay, equals to means here only. Where greater than equals to this distinction. Okay, it matched it here. So wherever it will be matched, it will print that particular output only. Got it, right? So here I said greater than equals to, so here it is matching only. Let me give some other, maybe what, maybe 23.
Not one.
So 23 means what? It is failed only because I mentioned here. If it is matching them, not matching with these conditions, you are failed. So if you are getting 23 marks, it is failed only. Or someone said some other number, please tell me. What number?
101.
Oh, 101. So here, where distinction less than 90. Here what happened? I didn't mention anything. Why? Because it came, because I didn't give range here, any of the range. If I am giving any of the range here, it could have given it is wrong entries, a kind of thing. I can print that also. Okay. As of now, I didn't give anything. Didn't give the range again. Outside 100, I didn't give anything, right? Hmm? Yeah, that time I can print anything. Like I will say if it is greater than 100, then it is valid, not valid. Like this kind of print I can give. Okay, let me try to edit this also. I need to make condition for that also. Okay, I'll say I'll use another elif condition. Okay, elif condition. I'll say that's what, if you are understanding means you will be able to do anything. Oh, elif which one? This one, right? So if it is greater than GT, maybe 100. Okay.
Otherwise, you can modify in above condition only, right? Greater than 90.
Yeah, that is for some distinction I have mentioned. That will be again confusing. That's why I created a new one. That is what. Okay, like I'll say you have given invalid entry, invalid marks. You have given invalid marks. Okay, let's see whether
Can you paste this one in chat? This code?
yes, this shell script.
Yes.
I'll paste it not today. Oh, where champion it came. Greater than equals to 90. Okay, here I need to make one condition again. This one, this output I'll not give as of now today. I'll give maybe after 2-3 days. You practice it with your own, because maybe if I'm giving now, you'll just do copy and paste it.
Exactly.
So I don't want that. I'll give. Don't worry. But you should practice from your own. So here I need to make some condition here greater than 90 and less than 100. Okay,
Hmm.
and LE 100. Okay, now let's see what it is giving. 101. Enter your mark 101. 12 conditional binary operator. So it will take only 2 digit. I need to again modify something so that it will take 3 digit. Okay. I need to modify something. I don't know where I need to exact modify. I need to check now.
And line 12.
What is telling 912 conditional binary operator expected. Let's see 12 line. Let's see 12. Oh, how to give numbering? Anyone knows? VI editor I said. Anyone remember how to set the number in VI editor?
It's new.
Colon SC NU.
Ah, yes, ACNU.
Correct.
Now, where is the 12 line? So, here 12 line. So, here I can edit this. What I'll do, uh, echoing something. Okay, now good. I'll say less than 99. Okay, because here,
You can say instead of less than, you can say equals to, right?
yeah, less than equals to. No, equals to again, that condition will be changed again. Here, what I am telling, where it is? This one, right? Greater than equals to 90 and less than. Both conditions should be matched. Here, equals to, only equal, it will not take as of now. Because two things I am not giving. Let's try it, what it is taking. Dash, maybe I'll give it. Enter your mark, result, conditional binary operator expected. 12 line something. Let's try it. SENU 12. L if score greater than. Oh, I didn't mention the score itself. I have to mention the score. Uh,
Hmm.
SCORE. Oh, how come it is going there? I'll say dollar score. SCORE. Score less than 101. Yeah. Now got it right? You have entered invalid marks.
If you use 100, in that case also it will fail, I think.
What are
Yes,
you?
yes. Good catch. We should mention there less than equals to 100, not 99.
Yeah.
So here, because 100 is also inside our marks, right? Outside, okay. So 100 means you are champion. Okay. Maybe 101 means invalid. maybe 90, you are champion. Maybe below 90, maybe 89, you got distinction. So anything you can get it. You give the number, it will tell you. You don't need to remember the range from where to where, distinction from where to where. Everything is written on the shell script. You can use many times, multiple times. That is the beauty of shell script. All good? Any doubt? No doubt, right? That's great.
Show me the
Yeah.
script once again.
Okay. Yes. Taking screenshot.
No, no, I am observing actually.
Okay. Don't take screenshot. But even though if you are taking screenshot, not an issue.
Yes, yes.
But you try to write it with your own. Don't copy paste. Otherwise, see here, once you started writing, na, you will get lot of error for sure. I'm 100% sure you will get error. Then only you will realize where I did wrong. You can fix it, and you learn more things from there itself.
You go little up,
Yeah.
starting.
See, this is only 30, 40 lines maybe. We'll have maybe more than 100 lines, 1000 lines code also. But you should understand, then only you'll be able to write. And you'll be able to understand what is happening on this particular script. What is that particular command call. So, good. You have recording video, I think. They'll share you. Don't worry. Let me go with next slide. Okay. Next slide. Hello. Okay. Next slide will be using or condition. See here, I used everywhere what and condition, right? Both should be matched. Now I'll say one should be matched and I need the output. If any one is matching, give me the output and it is success output, something kind of thing. Here, this is voter entry, I think, yes. Here, it is telling enter your age and what is your country. If your age is greater than 18 and you resides in India country, then only you are eligible to vote in India, right? Else you are not eligible. Okay. Why? Because here I said here that either of the conditions should be matched. Either this like now here what this is not or, it should be and, I think. It should be and, not or. Maybe I have written wrong. Because if I'm not in country, I should not cast my vote. It should be and. For or, I'll think another one maybe. Why or it is? I didn't copy it. Maybe I forgot. Let's try it. Okay. Vi for underscore shell dot sh. Okay. You can give any name. Okay. Here on telling I'm doing. Here I can use or also. Country not. That time I need to use something else. Match this. Okay, let me use and option as of now. What unknown marks?
Sir, here, instead of double praise, can we use single praise after
No,
if condition?
no, it will not work in this condition. We can try it, but I got error maybe on previous. That's why I give
Okay.
double. I'll say 19. What is error? Maybe Indian. You are not eligible Why?
It should be eligible, na?
Yeah. Wait. What is that? Oh, India should be there. It is not matching, I think, because of that. I gave Indian. Where? But what it is expecting?
Okay.
India. So I have to check maybe 19. Then
Jamaica.
India. You are eligible to cast your vote. Okay. Now I'll change it to something else. Maybe I'll say 17, but I'll
Hmm.
say India
No. Yeah.
because one condition is not matched. Okay. So like this, we can change something else also. Maybe I'll say 25, but I'm in Jamaica. So you are also not eligible. You should be Indian and your age should be above 18. Then only you are eligible to vote. This kind of code is written in your maybe some application. What? Who is talking?
Any doubts?
Naresh? Let me mute it. Okay. Akash bhai, mute it please. Okay. Fine.
Hello.
So any doubt here? But what about or? I want to show you or only, or it is not there. Now it should be because it got disconnected somehow. I don't know, somehow was disconnected or what. My screen is visible or it is also not? No, right? Oh, it got disconnected. Here also I can give any or thing also if anyone is matching. So I'll write it here or only. Okay. I'll say copy this. I'll say vi5 underscore shell dot sh. Okay. Here instead of and I'm saying if any of the condition is matching, just you are eligible, otherwise you are not eligible. Okay. I'll say and or sorry or. So if any of the condition is matching, then I'll say va bash 5. I'll say 18, but I'll say Jamaica. So what it is telling? You are eligible to cast your vote. Why? Because I said like this, any of the thing is matching, then you are eligible to vote. Now I can change something also. I'll say this one is maybe 15. I'll say India. Here what should be? It would be? It should be eligible because where it will be matching? It will be matching in India. It is not matching here, but it is matching with India. So this is the beauty of or like either one. Maybe you will have lot of condition in your shell script. That time, one if one condition is matching, then fine. It will be giving you the correct output. Any doubt here? No doubt, right? That's great. Now I'll be proceeding with next. Next, one condition is there that is called case. Okay. In case, what we can do? We can ask, we can give the output to user what you want. Okay, you want to maybe what it is date, you want the output of date, you want the output of ls, you want the output of pwd, like whatever command I'll be mentioning, that it is like mcq question, you know, right? mcq. So mcq is built like this only, same way. Okay, I'll just open it and I'll show you. Until and unless you are getting the output, you will not understand. Okay, I'll say shell.sh. Okay, here what I want, I am taking input like please provide input or option. Okay, What options are there? A for print the data, B for print the list, C for print the present working directory. So you need to press A. If you want to get the output of date, then press A. It will give you the date output. If you want to print the present working directory, then press C. So like this, it will be giving you the option. Let me try to run this, then I'll explain you. Dash 6, right? So it is asking you what you want to. You want to print the date. You want to print ls. You want to print present working directory. I'll say okay. I want date. Press A. So it is giving me the date.
So this acts like a switch case.
Yes, switch case. That's what this is case only. I said, nah, this is case only.
Yeah, okay.
So here it will be asking, and as per your wish, it will give you the output. If I am saying I want B option what? Print the list. So it will give me the sorry D wrong option. It should be B. So it is listing all the shell scripts. See, I have this shell script inside this, and this is some other files are available inside /temp. If I want where I am in, I have to use C. It should be where I am in currently. I'm in /temp. Okay, now let me go to shell script and I will just try to make you understand. So here nothing else. Here I'm just mentioning here A for this, B for this, C for this. But this should be matched with this here. Okay, it is not like I'm giving random here, I'm giving random here. If it is not matching, it is totally related to this. Okay, what it is telling, read store. Okay, so whatever user is giving here, store in is where store variable. Why? Because I want to use this store variable in future cases where here I'll be. What I'm telling, case store. Okay. So it is checking on this variable what is available inside that. If it is A available, what I need to execute? I need to execute what command? Date command. If it is C available, I need to execute what? PWD command. So if other than ABC, then just tell you have given the wrong input. And if you are starting with case, you have to reverse close with reverse order, ESAC. Any doubt? So it should be matched here. Whatever you are mentioning, it should be matched with here. If you are mentioning another 10 options also, you have to give another 10 option here, and in between that 10, if you want any output, it will give you the output.
What is star?
Star means everything else. See,
Everything. Oh,
yeah,
Default case.
yes. Other than this, okay.
okay. Like anything, if you enter means then it will show this.
Yeah, let me run this. Give me anything. See, A, B, C, D is not available, right? D option. What it is
Even
telling? You have given
even if
wrong
it is a
input.
number, also it will show the same thing.
Yes. It will just go check with these three only, A, B, C, nothing else. Whatever you are mentioning here. Other than this, it will just say you have given the wrong input. Good, right? Or any doubt? I have other shell script also. Okay. This one while loop. Okay. Now I'll still here all statement I have done. Now for loop is there, while loop is there. I need to say this too, but today somewhat heavy or it is good. Today I don't know. So you have to practice whatever I have done today. I have done a lot of sales script, like 5-6 sales script I have done. You have to write all the sales script and you have to show me the output. You have this recording also. Oh, that is a problem. They are not giving recording. I'll check with Hatsa. They should give. Otherwise, you will forget only. Otherwise, you all can tell what you can do. You can take the screenshot of this. I'll not give you copy paste. Take the screenshot, then type it. Okay, one screenshot. I started with this here earlier. Okay. Everyone take snapshot. Done this one. 9th slide.
Not it, not it. Give me a minute.
Just take snapshot. He's very clever.
Which page is one? Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Yes.
Yeah, you are asking to take all the snapshot. How it is? Present one only.
Take this screenshot. This is done, right? Once
Yes,
this is
this is
done,
that.
let me know. Now take this one also for. Done, right? Take this one also.
Just a second.
Take this one also.
Okay, total 4, right?
Take this one also. This one is while loop. Okay, I don't want this while loop. This four or five.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Practice this 5, everyone. I need output from everyone. Okay, in WhatsApp group. Okay. And now let me know if you have any doubt. I can clear. Today I will not proceed ahead. All good? Or any doubt, any question also you can ask me.
Instead of bash, we can type sh also, right?
Yes. Okay. Let's try it. sh2 shell script. Same.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Or also you can give chmod x permission to everyone. I'll say chmod execute permission to everyone, like whatever it is available. I'll say here. Now what? Everyone got this permission. Now I'll say dot slash 2 dot sh. It will also work. Okay. Or else I can give something else also. Full path I can give. I'll say temp. It is in my temp and this 2 is available. I'll say run this one also. It will also work. So there are 3 methods. Yesterday only I explained, right? So you can use either of the method.
Sir, uh, in what is that? Shebang.
Yeah.
Instead of using bin slash bash, we can
Yeah.
use bin slash sh also, right?
Yes, you can use. But Bash is latest one. It has more feature than
Mm.
SH. So that's what I am using Bash as of now.
Okay.
You can use either of the thing. You can use SH also.
Okay.
All good then?
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. If all good, then we can conclude the session for today. Tomorrow we'll go with different loops, while loop, for loop, different things. Okay. But before that, you should practice. If I'm not getting the output from everyone, then maybe I'll stop tomorrow also. I'll not proceed ahead. Maybe, because you have to practice. I am spending time. You have to spend time. See, it is not like my script is everything working at a time. It is not like I practice at home. I taken all the output and I'm showing you here. It is not like directly I'm doing it. Maybe I can get a lot of error also if I'm not practicing also. Because here you cannot remember each and everything. Okay. So you have to practice. You have to spend time like me also. Okay. If all good, then we can call the session for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you all. Bye bye.